Hey you guys, I'm so excited to share my favorite protein-packed breakfast with you today. First, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. Grab a bowl and throw in some oats, your favorite protein powder, and a little baking powder. Now let's add our wet ingredients. Crack in a couple of eggs, pour in some milk, and give it all a good whisk. Oh my gosh, look at that batter! It's so smooth and smells amazing already. You know what's great about this recipe? You can totally customize it. Want some extra flavor? Try adding a dash of vanilla extract or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Trust me, it takes these pancakes to a whole new level. Like, you won't even believe how good they taste. Now for the fun part, cooking these bad boys up. Heat up your pan or griddle and let's get flipping. Pour about a quarter cup of batter for each pancake. When you see those little bubbles forming on top, it's time to flip. Oh my gosh, would you look at that golden brown perfection? Stack them up high and let's talk toppings. I love adding some fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, and maybe a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein. Seriously, you guys, these pancakes are so good you won't believe they're healthy. I could eat these every single day, no joke.